Okay, so the next step is I have these, this is how you attach or secure the Fascinator to your head once it's done. And you got to do this early on so you can cover the top with whatever fabric you want, and these need to go underneath the fabric. So these are just bra straps with a clasp, and then this is Silva's. My mom bought this one already made, so I'm using this as like a guide on where to put my bra straps. And it looks like I want to stick them right about here. You don't want them too far back because the headpiece won't be secured to your head. You don't want them too far back, like back here. It'll fall off. And you want them to be obviously symmetrical. And then I just adhere them with super glue. Hot glue. Oh, what did you do to that? Gonna use too much glue. She has them at like an angle too, because you want the strap to be smooth. You want it to be like wonky like that. So there's that. Doesn't matter what it looks like because it's going to be covered in fabric, so probably should have made them a little bit closer up. It's okay. This is like right here. Not so much glue this time. And then squeeze it down. And then it's done. And this one is good to go. And then so once it's finished, you can, when you adhere to your head, or affix it, I guess is a better word, you can just adjust those for tightness you want. And that's it.